check out the Chevrolet 2016 Suburban LTZ. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: enhanced driver alert package, Y86, magnetic ride control suspension package, preferred equipment group 1LZ, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, SiriusXM, Bose Centerpoint premium 10 speakers surround sound, CD player, floor console with storage area and HD radio. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.